thank you, Mr. Flo, for bringing us the water. We thank the Holland sponsors because they've given us the job. We'll continue serving the people in Kenya. We thank them. We thank the family. We thank all sponsors who have done for us anything. We thank them. God bless them so much so that they can continue more years than they are. We thank even the sponsors who have given us the pump, everything. We give them the thankful. We say thank you because we are idling in Kenya. Now we have the job. We are happy. We thank them, all of them. Thank you very much. We give Teacher Flo thanks because he has teach us the job. After 6 weeks, we already know the job. Now we are going to do the job in NGO. We thank them. Thank you very much. God bless them and so much because they have given us proud. They are Kenyan and the Holland people. They are happy because they are from us. The project in Kenya. We thank them, all of them, and God bless them because they are bringing water in Kenya. All the sponsors, we have the one they have bring the pump, family, in the who was printing the internet, work in the papers news there in Holland. Give them thanks, tell them thank you, Teacher Flo, because you are the one who have boosters in Kenya. Give you thanks all days. We thank you very much. God bless you.